Hey everybody, it's Kevin here, and today we're going to talk about one of the common foot problem that a lot of people have, and that's plantar fasciitis. So, if you've ever had pain in your heel, it's really common that this pain comes on. It's worse in the morning. You first get out of bed, you step down, and you can barely walk. You got this pain right on the bottom of your foot on your heel, and this pain is a really big problem. It comes up, and sometimes it nags. It doesn't go away for years and years and years. And so we're going to talk about one of the problems that might be actually causing this. We want to get to the root cause. What is causing plantar fasciitis? Because if you've got it, you know it, and it is a pain. It really is really difficult. So the foot's complex. It goes through this complex mechanism. If any of you know when you try on shoes that when you step down, your feet get longer, and that's a process we know is called pronation. When you step down, it goes through a process of elongating and getting longer. And then it goes through a process of shortening when we go to step off, so that the foot can get short and rigid, and so you can push off of it. So when you step down, it gets long to absorb shock. When you go to toe off, it gets shorter to become rigid, and so we can push off and propel. So this is my awesome diagram of a foot right here. This is your big toe, and then this is just representing the arch of the big toe. So as that big toe flexes, what happens is the plantar fascia, the way that the foot shortens when you go to step off, is the big toe flexes, and the plantar fascia actually which is attached to your heel, actually grabs the back of the foot and it rotates it, it twists it up. So your foot, when that big toe flexes, your foot twists up and becomes shorter and more rigid so that you can push off of it. Now think about this. Let's say this rear part of the foot, this joint in the back, is stuck. It's fixated. And you go to toe off, the plantar fascia goes to draw, and it tries to pull that rear foot up. It tries to twist it, but it's stuck. Maybe you've jammed your foot and that joint is not working. And you go to twist and you go to toe off, and it tries to pull to twist the foot off, and it doesn't twist. Instead, it just pulls. All of a sudden, you do that over and over again, you're going to get irritation because this is not happening. It's pulling, it's pulling, it's pulling. You're getting irritation there. Now, you can go and work on the plantar fascia all you want. You can roll your frozen water balls along that, which you should do if you have this, but it's not going to fix the mechanism of the problem. You got a joint up here that's not working. It's not functioning right. Chiropractic adjustment. We take a hold of your foot and we adjust it. We can adjust the rear foot. We can adjust that part of the foot and get it moving again so that now when you toe off, that foot starts to draw up and actually the rear foot starts to work the way that it should. You go through normal pronation and normal supination during your foot strides, and your plantar fasciitis can go away over time. So, we got to actually get back to the mechanism and fix the mechanism. If we do that, if we can get the joints in your feet working, moving better, we can actually help with plantar fasciitis. So if you've got that, if you know somebody that's got them, send them our way. We'll see if we can help them out.